The main thing is the consolidation begins with everything. All the moves that take place in the marketplace start from a measure of consolidation, because that's where the markets are building orders. So the market maker keeps the market in a tight range or a defined range until there's enough money on both sides of the upper and lower end of the range that's being defined by the consolidation. Whichever one has the highest amount of money to be absorbed, that's the direction it's going to move in. We don't always know what that is, but we wait for the expansion. When the expansion occurs, that's when we get the clue as to what the market is most likely going to be doing. And then we wait for either a retracement or another consolidation or a reversal. But we always wait for the first expansion. That gives us all the insight that we need to make a decision. Now, sometimes it may expand so far that we can't do anything with it. We have to wait for the retracement or the next consolidation. There's nothing wrong with that. It's all normal. You're not going to catch every move. The main thing is just understanding these four individual characteristics to a trade setup, because price is delivered by one of these four conditions. It can't be any other way.